You've been a business analyst for a few years and are wondering how to transition into the role of Agile Project Manager. You're not alone. LinkedIn data reveals that approximately 69% of business analysts are uncertain about their next career move. Let's dissect the similarities and differences between the business analyst and Agile Project Manager roles in a straightforward manner. First, let's explore the similarities. Facilitation and communication. Both roles involve facilitating communication between stakeholders and team members. Business analysts ensure a clear understanding of requirements, while Agile project managers foster collaboration within the Scrum team. Focus on delivering value. Both roles are centered on delivering value to the customer. Business analysts prioritize features and requirements aligned with business goals, while Agile project managers assist the team in delivering increments of product functionality in each sprint. Problem-solving skills. Both roles demand robust problem-solving skills. Business analysts analyze business processes and requirements to identify solutions, while Agile project managers assist the team in overcoming obstacles and impediments to achieve sprint goals. Adaptability. Both roles require adaptability to change. Business analysts must be flexible in responding to changing business needs and requirements, while Agile project managers assist the team in adapting to changes in priorities or scope during the sprint. Now, let's delve into the dissimilarities. Focus of responsibilities. Business analysts focus on understanding business needs, gathering requirements, and defining project scope, whereas Agile project managers focus on facilitating the Agile process, removing impediments, and ensuring the team adheres to Scrum principles and practices. While you already possess problem-solving skills, you can acquire knowledge of Scrum principles and practices by undertaking our Beginner Agile Project Manager course. Authority and decision-making. Business analysts often wield decision-making authority regarding business requirements and scope, while Agile project managers typically do not have direct authority over the team, but influence them through servant leadership. This requires adapting to asking why and what questions, leading to an inclusive culture. Measure of success. Business analysts measure success based on the alignment of project deliverables with business objectives and stakeholder satisfaction, while Agile project managers measure success based on the team's adherence to Scrum principles, sprint goals, and continuous improvement. This is where our Intermediate Project Manager course can help you succeed. In summary, while both roles involve communication, delivering value, problem-solving, and adaptability, they differ in their primary responsibilities, authority, and measures of success. Understanding these similarities and dissimilarities can help individuals successfully plan the transition from the BA to Agile Project Manager role without risking their careers.